Alright, space fans, big news coming your way. NASA's gearing up for US Spacewalk 93, and trust me, you don't want to miss this one. On Thursday, May 1st, astronauts Anne McClain and Nicole Ayers will be stepping out into the great unknown for a jaw-dropping 6.5 hours outside the International Space Station. Here's what's on their to-do list. First, they'll relocate a communications antenna. Think of it as the space version of moving your Wi-Fi router to the perfect spot. Next, they're installing a mounting bracket for the upcoming International Space Station Rollout Solar Arrays, or IROSA. Now, these new solar arrays are kind of a big deal. Once they're up and running, they'll boost the station's power by up to 30%. That means more energy for science, tech, and maybe even your favorite space memes. Who's making history? Anne McClain, rocking the red-striped suit, is no rookie. This will be her third spacewalk. But for Nicole Ayers, suited up with no markings, it's her very first time floating in the void. So yeah, major milestone alert. And get this mission marks the 275th spacewalk for the station. That's a legacy of pushing human limits piece by piece, bolt by bolt. If you want the inside scoop, NASA's holding a live preview conference on April 24th at 2 p.m. Eastern. You can tune in on NASA's website or even send in your questions using #AskNASA. When the big day hits, you can watch the entire spacewalk live on NASA Plus. Details are on the way, so keep your eyes peeled. Seriously, if you've ever dreamed of space, now's the time to get hyped. Mark your calendars. Spacewalk 93 is almost here.